Hi everybody. Now I'm going to show you as to how you can create a list of files and folders in a particular directory. Say for example here I'm taking this directory for consideration. This is in my computer D and downloads. Here I have plenty of files, say around 130 items, and it includes folders as well, some folders as well. So I'm going to show you as to how you can create a list of these. If you are going to take a look at this and note it down, it is going to be a very tedious process. So let me just take you through the entire thing very quickly. For this you need to open the directory in command prompt. This can be done two different ways. First, hold on to the shift key. Hold on to the shift key on your keyboard and right click anywhere in the directory. You'll get this kind of a window. You will get this kind of a window where in here you can see opened command prompt command window here. You need to now left click on it. This will take you to the directory in the command prompt. I mean command prompt will open at that location. Okay, so this is how the normal command prompt is. Another way you would open your command prompt is from start menu, start, search programs and files. You could type cmd and you will have a cmd.exe, or else you could do run, choose the run, in run type cmd, press ok. In this case, if you see here, it opens in default C users. In order to change the directory for your desired location, just type their parent directory. For here, my desired folder is downloads, which is in D directory. So what I will do is type the D, then press enter. Now this has gone to the D directory. In that, in this, I'll give it as cd space downloads, then press enter. Now this has reached the same location as I started in the first method earlier here. Okay, both are almost same. If you see, no big difference. Okay, now let me just get started. In order to display all the files and folders in a particular directory, it can be displayed in a text file or a .txt file. That is Windows default document file. In order to do that, you need to type in here dir, okay, space /a greater than a name for your text file. Say I'll say show list.txt. Now press enter. In your downloads directory, you will have one file called showlist.txt. Here you go. Here I have this text file, showlist.txt. Double click and open it. You will see here the list of all files that I have got in this directory. These are just the files. It will not show the subfiles and subfolders. This option will not allow you to see the subfiles and subfolders. If it says dir, it's a directory, which means it is a folder. If it doesn't say anything, it is just a normal file name. And this 44,707,508, means the size of the file. Okay, then here you have got the date and time of creation, etc., whatever. Okay, so this is how you do it to display the main files and folders. This will not display the subfolders. Okay, what you need to do in order to display the subfolders? Go to the same command prompt, type dir space /s greater than symbol show list sub.txt and press enter now. Now you can see text file has been created, show list sub.txt. Double click and open it. Now you can see all the files, the folders and subfolders. First it says directory of D downloads. Whatever in the D directory, whatever you have in the downloads directory, whatever you have, the files and the folders will be listed first. Okay, after this, next you can see second directory, D downloads / advances in analog circuits. This is one folder I have got in the downloads column, and these two are the files inside that. Let me just show you. If you see here, you have got two files over here, advances in analog circuits and torrent downloaded demonoid.me. Okay, see in the text file that I recently created, you have two files over here, advances in analog circuits and torrent downloaded from Demonoid. Okay, same goes for the rest of the folders. If you have subfolders within subfolders, even that will be shown here. All my folders have been opened and the files inside the folders have been shown here. Okay, next, what if you don't need excuse me, okay, what if you don't need the date, time of creation, the size, etc., etc.? What you need to do is go to the command prompt, type dir space /b show list bar.txt. Type enter. Now you have a file here, show list bar.txt. Open that and see, you will just have your file names. You will not have your all those details over here. You will just have the bare file names and folder names here. This does not display the files and folders within a folder. It just displays the bare thing. If you wanted files inside the folders, you need to open the folder again in command prompt, then type the command same way we have done like in previous cases. So what does it mean? A means attributes here. S means it stands for displaying subfolders. B means bare. It doesn't give you any other details like file size, date of creation, etc. Now we just exit. That's it. That's how you create a list of files and folders through command prompt. If you want, you can export this to Word or any other document format for taking a print. A print you can take it directly over here from the TXT. See here, file, print option is also there. So if you want to sort or do something, you can just easily transfer it to a Word or another document format. That's it from here. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.